Hey guys, Kaylee here with Embrace the Adventure, and today I have a really cool tour for you guys. So we're staying at Emerald Beach RV Park, and it's located in Navarre Beach, Florida. Such a relaxing place, super low key. We're really impressed. And something I want to note is it's really hard to find a monthly rate at an RV park on the coast, and this park does offer that. So that's huge, especially for us full-timers who want to be on the ocean but not pay a crazy amount of money to be there. This tour, it's pretty incredible. One thing I do want to note as well, the staff here is so nice. I mean, so super friendly. We're really impressed with this place. So without further ado, let's check out Emerald Beach RV Park located in Navarre, Florida. Check it out, guys. Here we are turning into the Emerald Beach RV Park. We're here for a month and we are really impressed so far. So there's a little map of the park, and as you turn in here, you will see the office. They've got restrooms and your laundry facility is there as well. Then up here, coming up on our right, we've got a propane filling station as well as a dump station. Now this section of the park, and you can check the map, these are the OV sites straight ahead. So that stands for office view. Now the row to my left, right where you can kind of see our north point, the row over to my left, the view, or what the fence backs up to, is a residential neighborhood. So if that bothers you, do not book anything on that row that the arrow is pointing to. If that doesn't bother you, then no big deal. So we're starting this tour on, like I said, that first row, starting with site number 1, and I'm just going to drive around the perimeter because the inner rows are kind of all the same. They're beautiful pull-throughs. You can't really go wrong with any of those. So if I were to book this again, I would definitely do the outer perimeter straight ahead, or I would do, the beach sites are more pricey, of course, but I would do this row straight ahead, this perimeter, or any of the pull-throughs, because the row, like I said, with number 1, you are backed up to a residential neighborhood. So if you're really coming here for the view, I would do any of these. You really can't go wrong with any of the pull-throughs or any of that that row to my left there. So this, we're coming up to the pool area right there, and we will do a deeper dive into that here in just a moment. But this is also, I wanted to film us backing in so you could kind of see the parking space. So there's plenty of room to park your rig, park your vehicle, and still have plenty of space to enjoy the outdoors. Now here is that pool area, and they do have restrooms, and again, the laundry facility is in this building. And the kids love the pool. Great temperature, and the staff here works really hard to keep everything really nice and clean. We honestly are very impressed by the cleanliness. So bathrooms are really nice. The pool was always well kept. Everything is just always in place. So kudos to the team at Emerald Beach RV Park because they really keep it nice. Here is the beach, the pool toy box. There we go, tongue twister. But it's really neat because a lot of people, when they leave for the weekend, they would leave toys and then the boys just played with them. Here's your laundry facility, and we have a washer and dryer, so we do not use this, but I did want to film it so you can check it out. Again, very clean, very well kept, and usually not very busy. So that's always a big plus. And there is an entryway to the office from this area as well. Now here is the gym of this RV park. You get your own pier in a 300-foot beach on the Santa Rosa Sound, and it was never busy down here, even on Labor Day weekend. I'm not sure if people were rotating out and the timing was just perfect, but we were never in a crowd, and so it just stays really relaxing and private. And you can see that's the bridge that leads over to the Gulf right there. But look at this, guys. So if you book one of those beach sites, that's where you would see, that would be your view. And they have plenty of these pet waste stations, which us dog owners always appreciate. And if you walk this way, there's Mr. Jaxie Dog. There's a pond right there. Obviously no swimming or anything in that. But yeah, it's just like a little, not sure, just a little pond. There's a clubhouse that's not open, and that's kind of a peak to that residential neighborhood that you'd be backed up to if you stayed in that row with site number 1, that whole row. So again, if that bothers you, just take a note of that for when you book. Now this area leads to the dog park as well as the access to the private beach and this pavilion area. So we had a lot of times where we would just enjoy sitting at the pavilion and the kids would eat dinner, and we just kind of have a great time, meet awesome people. And the dog park, it is sand. So my dog did not go to the bathroom in there. He was like, Mom, where's my grass? So I've seen plenty of dogs enjoy it. It does have water access, which a lot of dogs have enjoyed. But, you know, you can just take your dog on a walk, and they do have those pet waste stations. Now you can fish from this pier as well, and look at this blue crab. These were everywhere. People were catching these left and right. So they, I mean, it's alive. The sound has so much sea life. It's incredible. And again, here's another look at that dog park, and that's the water access in the dog park. So again, your dog, especially if they love water, they are going to absolutely love it here. Absolutely love it. And there's Jaxie again. He's always my little sidekick. But I really think that this view is just incredible. Absolutely incredible. And the sound within itself is just a very calm, peaceful, awesome view. And I like at the end of the pier, they have all of these benches and chairs where you can either sit while you're fishing or just enjoy the view. Now let's check out the beach. So I plugged in the pier as the endpoint because they do have a big public parking lot right in front of that pier access. So that's where you're going to park to enjoy the golf. And man, is it beautiful. This water is crystal clear. The boys, myself and Anthony, literally just, I mean, this was just beautiful. My family came in to visit, and you cannot go wrong in this water. And just another peek. Look at that. It's absolutely just incredible. So if you come here, you get to enjoy not only the sound in a private beach, but if you drive 8 minutes, you can enjoy the golf as well. So you just can't go wrong. We stayed in site number OV3. And again, that backs up to that residential neighborhood. It did not bother us, but if that would bother you, you know, just look at the map and pick a pull through or something on that other side for sure. All right, you guys, and let me know in the comments below. Have you been here? Do you have the same perspective? Do you love it? And make sure you stay tuned because we are going to the Santa Rosa RV Resort next. So we'll have a tour on that for you guys because it's only about 5 minutes down the road. So we can put these two head to head and compare them for you guys as well. Take a second, like and subscribe, you guys, and have an awesome day.